Hello students, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. My name is Andrea Filippo Lombardo. I come from Italy and you can call me Mr. Andrea. Today we are going to explore about the world of fractions. So hopefully at the end of the lesson you will be able to write, make and name each part of the fraction. You will be able to identify them on a number line and select them from groups of shapes. Would you like to watch a video about it? Okay, let's go.
Huh? Ah. Ew. Ah. Ah. Ah.
So he's going to divide the pizza, that is a whole, into equal parts. So as I said, the pizza is a whole. Whole means something that is not yet cut, that is integral.
Ah.
For how many persons is going to cut the pizza? How many persons are there? There is one adult and 5 babies. So in total, they are 6. So he has to divide the pizza into 6 equal parts. One out of these 6 parts can be expressed as 1 over 6. The line between this number is read as 1/6. 1, 2, 3. 2 out of 6 parts can be expressed as 2 over 6. 2/6. So 1/6 and 2/6. Such type of numbers are called fractions. So the pizza is a whole in cat and pizza in parts. The fractions express a part of a whole.
Ah.
is 1 slice over 6. So 1/6. Fractions can be written using two whole numbers and a line within them. Horizontal line. Number above the line is called numerator. Numerator. Number below the line is called denominator. So the pizza is a wall that is cut in parts. So it's the denominator tells us total number of parts in a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we put as denominator, we write as denominator 6. So numerator tells us how many parts are taken from the whole. 1, 2. So taken 2 parts. So we write as the numerator number 2. The pizza is a whole. Note that the denominator cannot be 0 because we cannot make 0 parts of something. Okay, thank you for your attention. You like the video? Okay, everything clear? Do you have any questions I can explain? Okay, so would you like to make some games now that you understood something about the fractions? Let's do some games. So we have to cut this rectangle into 6. We have just seen about the pizza. It was cut into 6. Do you remind? You like pizza? Okay. So how to cut this rectangle into 6? Just connect 2 dots to make a cut. The best way to cut something is from one side to the other side so that the parts are equal. Okay. Let's do with lines. Okay, like this. And then with the dots. Great. We have one rectangle cut in 6 parts. Okay, let's say that again. Okay. So shade one part of the rectangle. Is there any one of you who would want to shade? Okay, let's do together, yeah? So for this, I think we can take just normal paints, and we shade one part. You can choose which one of the square. The most important is just one of the rectangle. Let's say this one. Okay. So we have one part over 6. Also here. Okay, let's do another game. So when one part of the rectangle is shaded, what fraction is shaded? We have shaded, for example, this one, right? What fraction is shaded? This is 1, 2, 3, for example, 4, 5, and 6. So what fraction is shaded? Parts are 6, right? Squares inside the rectangle, but we want to shade only one, so we put 1 on the numerator and 6 in the denominator. So it's 1 over 6. Okay? Let's see another exercise, another game. Which figures show halves? Should be equal parts, remind that. So which chord is cut, which figure is cut in half? Equal parts. This one, right? Because it's cut in half. Okay? This one is not in half because this one is bigger. This one is bigger than this. So it's not cut in half. Next. Which number line show a colored segment with a length of 1 over 4? 1 over 4. So we have to see 4 parts and select only one. Let's count how many parts are these. This is 1 part, this is 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, and taken only 1. This is 1 over 4. Okay, so it's correct. This one is, let's see also the others just to explain. 1, 2, 3 parts and taken only 1. So this one is 1 over 3 parts, right? This one is cut in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is taken only 1. So this one is 1 over 5. This 1 over 3 and 1 over 5 is not 1 over 4. The correct answer is 1 over 4, the first one above on the top. Let's see another game. Which number line shows a colored segment with a length of 1 over 2? You can just answer, right? Let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, and taken 2 parts. So what is this fraction? How many parts are there? 3. How many are selected, shaded? 2. So the fraction is 2 over 3, not 1 over 2, right? So it's wrong. This one is 1, 2. How many are selected? 1. So the fraction is 1 over 2. Yeah, right? It is 1, 2, and 3. How many are selected? 1. So 1 over 3. So this is correct and this is wrong. Okay? Again. So now each number line shows a colored segment with a length of 1/6. Let's count. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1/7. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and are selected 2. So this is 2/7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's selected. So this is 1/6. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is correct. Clear, right? If you have any questions, please ask in the comments or directly. What fraction does the number line show? How many parts are here? 2. Right? This from 0 to 1 is divided into 2. So this point is 1, 2. So the answer is this one. Two, because there are 2 parts and there is only one segment. One, so it's 1/2. Okay, the last question about shapes. So what fraction of shapes are rectangles? How many shapes are there? Let's count together the shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is below because here states that shows the number of each item in the group. In this case, 6 shapes. How many are rectangles? Rectangles are the ones with 4 sides, right? Rectangles is only this one. So there is only one rectangle. So we put here 1. So what is the answer is this one. Okay? 1/6. Now we conclude the lesson with a song. Let's listen this song and then you can also sing along and enjoy it.
There were 5 pieces in one whole pie. The denominator of the whole pie was 5. The numerator of my part was 3, as 3/5 of the pie was for me. My mom made the apple pie out of Granny Smith's. She asked me if I liked it. I said, I plead the 5th.
The numerator's the part, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
Three birds were on a telephone pole. The denominator 3 was the group as a whole. The numerator 2 out of the thirds described the 2/3 that were bluebirds. The numerator 2 described how many were blue. Then something fell on my head. It was bird poo.
Bird poo. The numerator's the part. The denominator's the whole. And fractions are parts of a whole.
Na 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 na. I took 4 shots on the goal. 3 went in, but 1 hit the bowl. The denominator was all 4 shots. The numerator was the 3 goals I got. The other team's record and taking a toll. Got 3/4 summer shots and 1 Olympic gold.
The numerator's the part. The denominator's the whole. And fractions are parts of a whole.
A number line is every fraction between 0 and 1. Right in the middle is 1/2. 1/4 is half of that. A fraction's parts you realize have to be the same size.
Hey, we're late for the game.
Hate to leave you guys.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive.
Okay, I'm sure you like the song, and maybe you will sing also during the school time, not in the break time, and coming back home with your friends, like singing. The numerators is the part, the denominators is the wall. Okay, okay. So I'm so very happy to have done this lesson to you. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.